Welcome back to our channel, Balguru Kids, Fun and Learn. Today we are going to learn about fruits. Fruit friends, let's all cheer. Healthy and tasty, we're always near. Different colours, shapes and sizes too. We're the fruit family, here for you. I am an apple, red or green, crunchy and sweet. I'm a healthy treat. In pies or fresh, I'm always a dream. Take a bite and join my team. I'm a banana, yellow and bright. Peel me down, take a bite. Full of energy, I'm out of sight. In smoothies or on cereal, I'm just right. I'm watermelon, juicy and cool. Pink inside, I'm the summertime rule. Eat me at picnics, by the pool. Refreshing bites, make you feel so full. I'm a pineapple, spiky and sweet. Tropical flavour, a special treat. In rings or chunks, I can't be beat. In dishes or desserts, I'm a fruity feat. I'm a mango, golden delight, juicy and soft. I'm a tropical bite. In salads or as juice, I'm pure sunlight. Taste my sweetness day or night. I'm an orange, round and bright. Peel me open, pure delight. Full of vitamin C, healthy might. In juice or wedges, I'm just right. I'm grapes. In bunches I grow. Green, red or purple. Let's go. Pop me in your mouth. Enjoy the show. Fresh or as raisins, my flavour flows. I'm papaya, orange and sweet. Soft and juicy, a tropical treat. With seeds inside, I'm complete. Add a squeeze of lime, can't be beat. I'm guava, pink or white, full of flavour, a yummy bite. Eat me raw or in a delight, I'm packed with goodness, day or night. I'm pomegranate, full of seeds, bursting with juice, meet my needs. In salads or alone, my flavour leads, antioxidant power indeed. I'm kiwi, fuzzy and brown, green inside, never frown. Spoon me out, don't put me down, in every bite joy is found. I'm muskmelon, orange and sweet, fresh and fragrant, a summer treat. In slices or cubes I can't be beat, a cooling snack, feel the heat retreat. I'm dragon fruit with scales of pink, my speckled insides make you think. Exotic and fun in every drink, try me once and you'll be in sync. I'm strawberry, red and bright, with tiny seeds I'm a pretty sight. In desserts or plain I delight, taste my sweetness, day or night. I'm avocado, creamy and green, on toast or in salads, I'm a healthy dream. With healthy fats, I'm the cuisine, mash me up and you'll gleam. I'm raspberry, tart and sweet, in pies or jams I can't be beat. Tiny and juicy, nature's treat, taste my goodness, feel the heat. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please share and subscribe our channel.